Oh my God! Look at this. Look, shark bite, guys. What did I tell you? What did I tell you, guys? This is. I mean, look at the damage. Look at the damage it did to this concrete. We're going to relieve the pressure off of this. What is this? A water heater. I know. Oh, don't use the pressure relief valve, the temperature and pressure relief valve. It can mess it up. Okay, if it messes it up, we'll replace it. That's how we do things, guys. Stop being cheap. Stop being cheap. We're gonna twist this off, and guess what? I didn't film the repair because I'm trash, man. I'm trash. Unless it comes to plumbing, then I'm average. But look, there's the repair. That's how we do things around here. Got that Odie CPVC cement. Hashtag Odie.